Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and in this video we will be solving another question from the list that I have shared in the starting of this playlist. So if you don't know what we are doing in this playlist, we are solving all those questions which are related to each other, so that we can able to build pattern and able to memorize all the standard processes and methods, and we will able to use that in the upcoming videos and upcoming questions and able to solve them as well, and able to build patterns. So if you will like encounter the same question or a little bit different question based on these approaches, then we will able to solve that in the interview as well. So let's start solving this question as well, and I would suggest that you can start watching the videos of this playlist from the question first, and then continue up to this questions. And if you will realize that if you are solving the question after solving the previous question, then you will be getting intuition for the upcoming question. So let's start. So this is 1750 on LeetCode, which is minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. So uh, the name of this question sound exactly right what they have like asked in this question. So let me take an example that is C A B A A B A C, C A C A B A A B A C, A A B A and C. Now what we have to do? We have to remove these characters which are equal from the last and end. So these are equal, these are equal. So we can remove this from the string, and in the end, as all of these are equal, then we will be returning an empty string, or sorry, 0, because the length of this substring or string is 0. Now if in this case, let's take this string as an example, that is AAB, and then CCA, then CCA, and then BBA. So now first there is another condition as well, that we can remove the same character if the prefix is same as the suffix. So this A is equal, so we can do like we can remove these two, and this A, as this A is equal to this, so we can remove these two at the same time. Now this is the prefix, so prefix, this suffix is also equal to prefix, but also the character before this is also the same as the prefix, so we can remove these two by removing this only, and then it's over. So the length of the final string that we will be returning is 3, that is CCA. So this is what we have to do. Now let's start solving this question, and also we will be using here two pointer approach with time complexity as big O of n. We will be like initializing two pointers, and as we are encountering the same character, then we are removing that from the string, or we can say we will be returning, as we don't have to return string, we have to return the length. So we can return start minus end plus 1. This is the concept I have told you already in the previous video, to return the length of anything. Like if you want to count the numbers between two numbers, then you can use last minus first plus 1. So this you can do. So, and also if we are encountering the same character, like if they are the prefix is suffix is same, then we can remove multiple character if they are same. So this is also we have to take care of. So we can use another while loop inside the two pointer approach. So we will be taking care of this as well. Now let's start solving this question. So so first what we have to do, we have to make two pointer. So start will be pointing to 0, and end will be pointing to as dot length, gth minus 1. Okay, now let's make start in while loop. So while start is less than equals to end, while start is less than end, and another condition is that as dot char at index start should be equals to as dot char at index end. Now if these two condition met, then we have to run this while loop, otherwise we have to stop. Now what else condition we have to take care? We have to take care of the similar character as well. So for that we can find a prefix. So for that we can use char sorry string or we can say s is equals to uh, s dot char at index start. So this will find the prefix, So now what we have to do, we have to skip the same character if they are equals to this value as, or we can change the name, that is sub. We can take sub as the name. Now what we have to do, we have to skip the same character from the last and start as well. So we can use another while loop. While as dot char at index start is equals to this as sub, then what we have to do, and another condition should also be there, that the start should be less than or equals to end. So let's use end pointer here. Now what we can do, we can make, we can increment these two counter, that is start plus plus, as we are moving from the right side, sorry, left side, that's why we have to increment the counter. Now we can use another while loop, that is, let me do that. So here we have to change this condition, that end should always be greater than start, end is always be greater than equals to start, and s dot character at end should be equals to this sub. If this is the case, then we have to decrement the end counter as well to skip the same character. And in the last, what we have to return, uh, we have to return end minus start plus 1. So this will count the length of the remaining array after removing all those characters which are equal to prefix. So I think the question is completed. Now we can try to run this. Okay, so there is an issue. Okay guys, so the issue is here we have to use char, as we are finding a single character from a string. That's why the issue is coming. Now we can try to run it. Now let's try to submit it as well. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question. See you in the next video. Bye.